Hello, Achiever fam! The season of battles continues, and now it's time for the mega clash between two potent botanical warriors, Tongkat Ali and Yohimbe. So without wasting time, let's begin the showdown. Yohimbe versus Tongkat Ali. If you are a regular viewer of our channel, then you might know about Tongkat Ali. It frees up your testosterone and energizes your tired glands. It grants you the strength of Hercules and the stamina of Atlas in the bed. Yohimbe, on the other hand, takes a more direct approach, increasing blood flow where it matters most. Beware of its power, mortals. It can be an unfaithful friend because it can show the side effects like jitters and discomfort to some. So, Tongkat easily wins the testosterone battle. Tongkat gently nudges your body to produce more testosterone. It's a reliable warrior, but its effects can take some time to appear. Yohimbe is a bold barbarian. The Yohimbine is the bark, is able to dilate the blood vessels in the genital area, which in turn can increase sexual arousal and desire, and it does it fast. So, for a great bed performance, there's a quick choice. If you seek a subtle boost, Tongkat Ali is your man. For a quick fix, choose Yohimbe. Tongkat Ali encourages your body to produce more of that libido fueling hormone. This can lead to increased energy, stamina, and a desire to get busy, right? Yohimbe works by stimulating the sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is part of the body's autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for controlling unconscious processes like heart rate, respiratory rates, pupillary response, and digestion. So it unconsciously delivers a surge of blood for a more intense experience. Still, Tongkat Ali is a good choice for a more natural and sustainable performance. Tongkat Ali gives you more testosterone, which often translates to greater muscle growth, and it's also rumored to improve stamina and reduce fatigue, allowing you to push harder in the gym. Yohimbe has a reputation as a fat burner. By increasing fat loss, it might help reveal the sculpted muscles you've been working hard for, especially for women who are struggling with stubborn body fat. A pre-workout for women with Yohimbine in it may not be very beneficial when it comes to shedding weight and leaning out. Even professional athletes use it. So, for muscle growth, choose Tongkat. For weight loss, consider Yohimbe. Now, let's sum this up with more benefits of each supplement. Yohimbe is widely admired for its ability to beat erectile dysfunction. Remember, its ability to work on the unconscious system is the reason behind it, and Tongkat can be your pill to take away that anxiety and stress. So, that was it. Which supplement do you need? Tongkat or Yohimbe? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned because we'll bring more comparisons of natural supplements in the upcoming video. Bye!